The 77 cents support level for Nexo United States dollar explicitly is truly kind of sort serious areas of strength for of an extremely huge way. Nexo United States dollar exchanges close 72 cents in a genuinely huge manner. 24-hour exchanging volume for Nexo truly generally is drifting at $4,322,880 in a pretty especially enormous manner. Nexo down around 3.3% inside the kind of fundamentally most recent 24 hours, or so they especially thought, or so they thought. 24 December 2023, in this video we will walk you through Nexo cost examination for now or for pretty 1 week from now, and genuinely attempt to answer these much of the time, commonly got clarification on some things, facts. What sort of is truly momentary cost expectation for Nexo? Most certainly is Nexo a fundamentally wise venture, which sort of in a real sense is genuinely huge. Nexo support and obstruction levels and so on, which for the most part shows that 24-hour exchanging volume for Nexo truly is drifting at $4,322,880 in a very significant way. Yet, prior to plunging fundamentally profound into the Nexo specialized examination, very led us by and large discussion about the kind of current economic situations in an especially huge manner. Market examination over the truly last 24 hours, there by and large really was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the sort of exceptionally whole digital currency market to $1,678,108,084,033, beautiful in spite of prevalent thinking, in opposition to prevalent thinking. The truly complete exchanging volume most certainly remains at $59,916,753 in a sort of significant manner in a genuinely significant manner. Bitcoin shares 50.94% of the entry market, while Ethereum especially has a predominance of 16.33%, beautiful in opposition to prevalent thinking, in spite of mainstream thinking. Which most certainly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $43,651.29 level after a decay of 0.24%, exceptionally in opposition to prevalent thinking. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum generally has seen a cost increment of 0.1%, coming to $2,291.88 during the past 24 hours in an every practical sense, large way. While distributing this blog, Solana exchanged at $114.03, following a value change of 18.2% inside a similar time period in an unobtrusive manner, which is very huge. BNB, the very local coin of BNB sort of is somewhere around 0.23 and right now exchanging at $269.10, which sort of explicitly is very huge. Furthermore, XRP came to 62 cents subsequent to seeing an elevate of 0.45% in esteem in an unpretentious way. These occasions explicitly demonstrate that the market in a real sense is going in a genuinely descending course for commonly present moment, which truly is genuinely critical. Right now, an entirely of general sort of bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, showing how 24 December 2023. In this video we will actually for the most part walk you through Nexo cost examination for now or for sort of the following week and certainly attempt to answer these regularly especially clarified some pressing issues, facts. What in a real sense explicitly is momentary cost expectation for Nexo, in a real sense, is Nexo a wise interest in an unobtrusive manner, which is very critical. Nexo backing and obstruction backing and opposition generally are significant specialized markers used to essentially distinguish really key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path in a genuinely enormous way. Support in a real sense is a level at which purchasers generally become genuinely more especially dynamic and all things considered, prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, or so they entirely thought. Similarly, obstruction in a real sense certainly is a level at which dealers most certainly move exceptionally dynamic and really prevent the coin's cost from moving genuinely higher in a genuinely significant manner, in spite of mainstream thinking. Following for the most part are the help and obstruction levels of Nexo execution. The kind of current Nexo cost truly is 72 cents. With an exchanging volume of $4,322,880 in the especially beyond 24 hours, showing how which basically brought about Bitcoin's cost, dropping down to $43,651.29 level after a decay of 0.24%, which in every practical sense is very huge in a significant way. Presently, Nexo generally is somewhere around 3.3% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $405,440,629 United States dollars. Very further appearance how BNB the kind of local coin of BNB, especially is somewhere around 0.23. And as of now exchanging at $269.10, or so they explicitly thought. Nexo Value Examination Nexo Cost Investigation for 24 December 2023, inside an actually everyday time span, sort of made sense of underneath, lovely sort of additional appearance, how BNB the for the most part local coin of BNB by and large, is somewhere near 0.23, and presently exchanging at $269.10 in a by and large huge manner. We use in every practical sense, relative strength INDEX RSI, moving sort of normal combination and dissimilarity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including really straightforward moving commonly kind of normal, SMA, and remarkable moving all things considered, normal, EMA, to generally dissect the future development of the Nexo, so right now. Nexo all things considered is somewhere near 3.3% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $405,440,629 United States dollars, all things considered. Further appearance how BNB the kind of local coin of BNB generally is somewhere near 0.23 and presently exchanging at $269.10, which most certainly is very critical. Nexo especially has in every practical sense, break all its essentially upholds levels, and things really are not looking awesome for the crypto market, so Nexo support and obstruction levels and so on, which in a real sense shows that 24-hour exchanging volume for Nexo fundamentally is drifting at $4,322,880, which in every way that really matters, explicitly is genuinely huge. At present, generally bears sort of are in charge of the market and effectively explicitly sort of take Nexo cost beneath the urgent help level of 82 cents in an unpretentious manner. RSI suggesting combination stage while exchanging at 44 and sort of is attempting to especially in a real sense break out of the nonpartisanship zone in an unobtrusive manner, which generally is very huge. While Nexo's Williams %R marker really is at 52.869 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating a nonpartisan condition. A exchange, pretty sign certainly is by and large conceivable at this reach, extremely further appearance how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum sort of, has seen a cost increment of 0.1%, coming to $2,291.88 during the past 24 hours. Or so they for the most part thought. The MACD line basically is remaining above of the truly signal line after a truly sure hybrid, which fundamentally shows that as of now, truly bears explicitly basically are in charge of the market and effectively truly take Nexo cost underneath the vital help level of 82 cents, which really is genuinely critical. Nexo financial backers need to explicitly hang tight for any directional change over the by and large everyday diagram, which sort of shows that Nexo backing and opposition backing and obstruction fundamentally